If you focused on boosting your cognitive skills and analytical capabilities, this question is for you. You're presented with 4 triangles. Each triangle has 4 numbers inside. The first triangle has numbers 3, 7, 11, and then number 6 in the middle. The second triangle has numbers 18, 2, 4, and 4. The third triangle has numbers 6, 12, 12, and 4. The fourth triangle has numbers 20, 5, 3, and then comes the missing number in the middle, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choose A, 3, choose B, 4, choose C, 5, and last but not least, choose D, 6. Here's the caveat though. My objective on this channel isn't merely to provide answers, but to encourage you to tackle these questions independently, as this method is fundamental for your learning. And to maintain your motivation and gain perspective, let's reflect on insightful words of Marie Curie. One never notices what has been done. One can only see what remains to be done. This perspective emphasizes the endless nature of learning and inspires your commitment to persistent inquiry and skill enhancement, which are crucial to refining your analytical capabilities. Still struggling? Take a moment to pause and reflect on the problem and look for patterns. Remember, it's perfectly okay to take extra time and pause this video to thoroughly work through your thoughts. Time's up. Are you ready to show your answer? I truly hope you finalized your solution and we can compare the answers. But don't worry if you don't have any solution yet. Keep working hard and consider every question you tackle as an investment in yourself. Right answers consolidate your knowledge, and the wrong ones build your resilience, teaching you how to navigate challenges, a crucial skill in any career. The key to solving this question is to understand and recognize the fact that triangles' calculations are different based on triangle's position. For example, the first triangle is looking upward, and we use addition to do the calculations. Let's look at the example. 11 plus 7 divided by 3 equals 6. The second triangle is looking downward, and the calculations use subtraction. Let's look at the example. 18 minus 2 divided by 4 equals 4. Let's confirm the calculations in the third triangle. 12 plus 12 divided by 6 equals 4. This tells us that to calculate the missing number, we need to do subtraction. 20 minus 5 divided by 3 equals 5. So the correct answer here is choice C, 5. To solve this question, we need to remember the words of Henry Ford. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Let's view the challenges we encounter in this question as opportunities to soar to the new heights, using adversity as a catalyst for growth and achievement. You're presented with 3 triangles. Each triangle has 4 numbers inside, and one triangle has the number missing. Starting with the left triangle, at 12 o'clock the numbers are 2, 15, 10, and then there is number 5 in the middle. In the second triangle the numbers are 3, 16, 12, and then number 4 in the middle. In the third triangle the numbers are 14, 7, number 2 in the middle, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 14, choice B, 15, choice C, 16, and last but not least, choice D, 17. Just like a lot of things in life, this question may not be the easiest to solve, but I have confidence that you have all required skills and creativity to tackle it. And I know that you can definitely will give it a try, maybe by pausing this video. Trust in your abilities, and let's explore all possible options together. Let's tackle this problem as a team. Are you ready with your answer? I truly hope your answer is correct. But remember that regardless of being correct or not, every attempt counts and contributes to your personal growth and development. As you might have guessed, to answer this question, we need to detect the pattern. And the pattern here is rather simple. To better understand the pattern, I assigned letters in each placeholder for the digits. The letters are A, B, C, and D. And the pattern here is A multiplied by B calculates C, and C plus B gives us the result for D. Let's look at the example. In the first triangle, 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. Then 10 plus 5 equals 15. In the second triangle, 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. And 12 plus 4 equals 16. And in the third triangle, 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14. And 14 plus 2 equals 16. So the correct answer here is choice C, 16. Without a doubt, to solve this question, we need to embrace the famous quote from Napoleon Hill. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. So embrace the challenges presented by this question as opportunities for your personal and professional growth, knowing that perseverance is the pathway to success. You're presented with the octagon. Octagon has 7 numbers inside, and the 8th number is missing. Starting from the 8 o'clock, the numbers are 51, 93, 72, 85, 16, 36, 25, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 9, choice B, 39, choice C, 49, and last but not least, choice D, 98. Well, I might know what you're about to say about the difficulty of this question, but remember, facing a challenging question in the assessment test can feel daunting, but every obstacle is an opportunity for your growth. Take a moment to gather your thoughts, trust in your abilities, and approach this question with determination and resilience. I know you can do it. Together, we'll navigate through these challenges and emerge stronger on the other side. Time's up. Are you ready to show your answer? As you approach answering this question, remember that the journey of your self-improvement is paved with challenges. Whether your answer is correct or not, each of your attempts make you strengthen your skills and resilience, bringing you closer to success. As part of this journey, you should embrace new experiences and remember that making mistakes is the key part of your learning process. Speaking about typical mistakes on this type of questions, the most common mistake is pattern misunderstanding, applying calculations not fully understanding the logic behind the pattern, which would lead you to the incorrect result. And as you might have guessed, the pattern here is very simple. Starting at 8 o'clock, numbers on the opposite side of the octagon are subtractions of the digits squared from the opposite side. Let's look at the example. At 8 o'clock, we see the number 51. At 2 o'clock, we see the number 16. 5 minus 1 squared equals 16. Let's confirm our logic with other numbers. 9 minus 3 squared equals 36. 7 minus 2 squared equals 25. So the missing number is calculated as 8 minus 5 squared and equals 9. So the correct answer here is choice A, 9. To succeed with this question, one has to acknowledge what famous entrepreneur Brian Tracy once said: your attitude determines your altitude. So let's approach this question with a positive attitude and a determination to succeed, knowing that your mindset plays a crucial role in overcoming the challenges. You're presented with cool-looking shape, which has number 7 in the middle, and numbers 11, 12, 13. See the pattern? 95, 83 present. And next number is missing, which you need to calculate and select the answer out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 65. Choice B, 71. Choice C, 79. And last but not least, choice D, 87. Hey, I understand that you might be thinking about the complexity of this question ahead. Yet remember, encountering a difficult question in the assessment test is not just a challenge, but a stepping stone for your personal growth. Pause for a second, believe in your capabilities, and tackle this question with confidence and perseverance. Remember, we are in this together, ready to overcome the hurdle and come out more robust. Make sure you do your best trying. Time's up. Are you ready to show your answer? As you approach answering this question, remember that the journey of your self-improvement is always paved with challenges. Whether your answer is correct or not, each of your attempts make you strengthen your skills and resilience, bringing you closer to success. If you, as Mr. Tracy suggested, focus on your attitude, you will be able to achieve unbelievable heights. And your attitude should be focused on trying and making errors. In fact, the best attitude is to try to stay eager to explore and learn, recognizing that errors are stepping stones to your knowledge. Speaking about the errors, the most common mistake to solve this particular question is overcomplication, thinking that the pattern is more complex than it actually is, leading to overcomplicating the solutions. Actual solution is real simple. The numbers on the opposite sides of the shape are calculated as subtraction of digits plus 7. Let's look at the example. 9 minus 5 plus 7 equals 11. Let's reaffirm these calculations with the next set of numbers. 8 minus 3 plus 7 equals 12. To calculate the missing number, you need to realize that resulting subtraction of digits for the final number equals 6, because 13 minus 7 equals 6. And the only choice that makes sense here is where 7 minus 1 plus 7 equals 13. So the correct answer here is choice B, 71. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.